Hey, my name is Armando Jimenez.
And I'm Sydney Mantel.
And we're going to be talking to you about recursion today. So basically recursion is, or having a recursive function, is basically a function that just calls on itself and it just keeps going until we reach a final base case, which once it reaches this base case, it will just return back through its chain that it came in through and then just give you back your output or whatever you need.
Yeah, so today we're going to talk about a really example that we use all the time, a factorial. So if you remember from your high school math classes, factorials are basically you take a number like 4 and you're going to multiply it 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and get the result of 24. So in code, we have our factorial function that's going to be given our original argument of 4. So we're going to make a new frame on the stack where our x will be 4. And you can see that we're returning factorial of x minus 1. So we're going to make a new frame where our x will be 3. And we're going to keep going. So we're going to return x factorial of x minus 1, which is 2. And then lastly, we're going to do it one more time until we hit our base case, and we're making our final frame on the stack where x is now equal to 1. So Armando, going to explain what happens then?
Yes, so now once we reach our base case, we're either going to first take the final output and then multiply that by the one that it came from. So we're going to go through here and then multiply here, 2 times 1, and that will give us back 2. So then we're going to take this number, come back through here, multiply 3 times 2, give us 6, take this back here, multiply 6 times 4, and this 24 right here is actually going to be our final output.
Yep, and so just like how before when we were adding frames onto our stack, when we were going through the function, after we hit our base case and we're starting to go backwards, we can actually pop these frames back off the stack. So here, after we do our first amount of multiplication, this factorial goes away. We'll move back up to this one will go away. Okay, 6 now times 4 is 24, so this one goes away. And then finally, we're returning this 24 back to our main function.